Hey guys, what's happening? How to save battery life on iPhone with iOS 18. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the general. Make sure that you check your iPhone storage in order to see if there is any sort of any app that consumes or drain your phone, right? And make sure to delete it, neutralize it, whatever. Okay, next what you're gonna do, go ahead to the main settings, go to the battery and make sure to allow the battery percentage, right, at the tab, and allow the battery or low power mode in order to reduce the background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. Go ahead to the battery health and charger and make sure to turn on the optimized battery charging so you can reduce the battery aging. Go back to the main settings, okay, and go to the accessibility. And then you're going to be able to see in the vision section, you're going to be able to see motion. Click it, and then you're going to turn on the reduce motion. Reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. Okay, and that should reduce the battery drain. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the privacy and security, right? And you're gonna go ahead to the tracking and make sure to turn off the tracking in order to reduce the battery draining. And go to the location services and make sure to narrow down the apps that you don't use to give them access give them access to your location, basically. Okay, and basically yeah, and on that note, do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you, catch you the next time.